Hey guys, tonight I was trying to figure out something to do with my chicken breasts instead of just plain chicken breasts. So here's what I'm doing. I haven't tried this recipe before, so tell me what you guys think of it. So I'm taking my chicken breasts. Can you guys see this okay? And I'm slitting down the middle, like that. And then I'm kind of carving out pockets on the side. Be very careful not to cut yourself. I have this little knife, and my goodness, it's so sharp that I've cut myself, of course. All right, so I cut out my pockets on both sides. It's not my favorite thing to do, but you know, you got to switch up the menu every now and again. So now I didn't have any fresh spinach, so I took out some frozen ones, chopped them up, and now I'm just kind of pushing them into there, into the sides that I created. And some of them will kind of pop through a little bit like that. Don't worry, just take that extra, just fold it in, put it on a cookie sheet, it'll be good, I'm assuming. I mean, I've stuffed them with many different things before, but not how I'm doing them tonight. So I stuff them full of spinach, because who doesn't love spinach, and we know it's so good for us. Stuff them like that, and now I'm going to take some Havarti cheese, and I'm going to put a couple pieces on each one, and then when they're done baking, I will shred, it's Havarti cheese. I will shred some of that over top of it. I'm going to serve this tonight with a nice rice. Perhaps I'll put a little spinach in the rice to give it some color. And I'm going to bake these at 350. I'm thinking probably 35-40 minutes, depending on your oven. And like I said, then I'll shred some more Havarti cheese over top, and it will be a great dinner. Sometimes I like to kind of get off of the meat, potato, veggie thing. So tonight I'm kind of putting the veggies in the meat, so I've only got the two things to worry about. Probably still serve it with a little bit of I don't know, coleslaw or something. We'll see what happens. Maybe a salad. And that's it. So, doesn't that look good? I'm going to show you guys when they come out of the oven. Oh, I've got to rinse my hands. Yeah, so I'll show you guys when they come out of the oven. Okay, guys, here's the end result. I totally forgot to film it when it came out of the oven, but this is what it looks like. And I ended up adding some spinach to the rice. I also seasoned the chicken and the rice with salt and pepper and some garlic powder. And I did end up adding the spinach into the rice, and it came out very nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Try it out. And that's it. Bye-bye.